Hi everyone, it's Jessica and I'm here to show you how to make a very simple basic flan. And we will be starting by using some sugar and a pan. And what I am just going to do is melt the sugar. You will need about a cup of it. And you're going to let it melt and slowly stir it until you see like a syrup texture, and you don't want to have any of the sugar crumbs. It has to be all like syrup. And so once you do that, you will need 5 eggs, and you will need 1 cream cheese, and evaporated milk, and a lechera. And this is going to be the actual flan part. And we're just going to mix everything into the blender, which will look something like this. And I'm going to prepare my pan. I put a little bit of cooking spray, and then I'm going to pour in the sugar right away because it gets hard and sticky, and then I will pour in what I blended on top of it. Once I do that, my oven should be ready, 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a foil container, the ones that you use like for barbecues, and I'm gonna pour in some water. You really want to pour it close to halfway and then put that on top of it, and then you're gonna cover it with foil. And you are gonna bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour. Anywhere between there, you want to check on it to make sure that you have a nice texture, it's not sticky. And then from there, you want to cool it for 15 minutes and then put it in the fridge for about 4 hours, and it should be ready to be served.